At the beginning of today, we had the start of our drivetrain rails assembled and not quite put all together in one frame, and we also had the upper structure starting to be assembled.
What did you decide were the most important things to progress on today?
We wanted to make sure that we got the overall frame of the robot together, ensuring that we finished assembling the drivetrain and the upper frame and assembling them together so that we know that we are inside the frame restrictions and the extension perimeters.
How much progress did you hope to make today?
We hoped that by the end of today we would have both the bottom and top frame assembled and put together. We also hoped to have the top frame articulated by its motors, and then finally we hope to start getting the intake mounted to that frame.
What did you do to try and make that progress?
We split up into a few different teams. So we had a small group of people working on each different area. So we had some people working on the drivetrain assembly and other people working on the upper frame, while another separate group was working on the arm and assembling that. And by dividing our tasks into different groups, we were able to complete more things in our day.
So how much progress have you actually made today?
So we actually made more progress than we thought. We got the drivetrain put together with the upper frame connected, and by about 4 o'clock we were already driving around. From there we moved on to connecting the motors for the arm and securing the arm in place. And then after that, we even got the intake connected with its motors. So by the end of the day, we had our program fully running with our drivetrain, our lifting arm, and our intakes, and we were testing it to make sure that it would work.
So what do you want to achieve tomorrow?
So we reached a bunch of conclusions with our testing and saw about what we were looking to achieve for tomorrow. So the first thing is our climb mechanism isn't finished and put on yet, so we're looking to make progress on that. And then we're also looking to add some improvements to the mechanisms we currently have by adding some counterweights in the bottom and a few sensors and switches to detect where the arm is, so it's not burning out 775 pros by stalling them.
And how are you going to achieve that kind of progress tomorrow?
So we created a to-do list, and we are going to assign different tasks to groups of people, and that's going to allow us to ensure that different people know what they were working on and are actively working on that. And then we're going to group together and bring our ideas and work together to finish off that robot.